So I got a quick little announcement. King's Classic Detailing has finally hit 100 subscribers. Woo! Very excited. Thank you guys so much for all the following so far. More videos will be coming out as soon as I'm able to get to them. I do all the work and all the editing myself, so I appreciate the patience you guys have. There was a little update, so I'll give you guys a little preview. This will be the next video that will be coming out. Hopefully I can break it into a couple different ones so that way the video is not too long. So this is just a quick little short video about that. Thank you guys so far for all the subscribers, the comments, the likes, everything. If you guys haven't subscribed, tap that subscribe button. Promise you won't regret it.